Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I am going to give you the insight question answers from chapter 4 Heat class 7 Physics West Bengal Board. Let's start. Number 1. What is heat? Heat is a form of energy causes hotness or coldness in an object. Number 2. Define temperature. The degree of hotness and coldness of an object is called the temperature. Number 3. Which device measures temperature? A thermometer. A thermometer is a device that is used to measure the temperature of an object. Number 4. Describe the structure of a thermometer. Thermometer is a long cylindrical tube in which a scale is given along with mercury filled in the tube. Number 5. What are the three kinds of scale used in a thermometer? Three kinds of temperature scales are majorly used. These scales are degree Fahrenheit, degree Celsius and Kelvin scale. Number 6. Which scale is specially used for scientific work? Kelvin scale is generally used in scientific work. Number 7. Who developed the degree Celsius scale? The degree Celsius scale was developed by a Swedish astronomer, Anders Celsius. Number 8. What is the lower and upper fixed point in the Celsius scale? The lower fixed point is taken as 0 degrees Celsius and the upper fixed point is taken as 100 degrees Celsius. Number 9. How many divisions are there in the Celsius scale? There are 100 equal divisions in the Celsius scale and each division is called 1 degree. Number 10. What does the lower and upper fixed point of the Celsius scale represent? The lower fixed point, that means 0 degrees Celsius, represents the freezing point of pure water and the upper fixed point 100 degrees Celsius represents the boiling point of pure water. Number 11. What is the normal human body temperature in Celsius? The normal human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Number 12. Who developed the Fahrenheit scale? Fahrenheit scale was invented by a Polish-born Dutch physicist Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit 30. What is the lower and upper fixed point of the Fahrenheit scale? The lower fixed point of Fahrenheit scale is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, at which pure water freezing, and the upper fixed point is 212 degrees Fahrenheit, at which pure water boils. Number 14. How many divisions are there in Fahrenheit scale? The entire scale is divided into 180 equal divisions and each division is called 1 degree Fahrenheit. Number 15. What is the normal human body temperature in Fahrenheit? The normal human body temperature was marked as 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 16. Who proposed the Kelvin scale? In 1848, William Thomson, known as Lord Kelvin, a British mathematician and scientist, proposed a new scale of temperature. This is known as the Kelvin scale. Number 17. What is the freezing and boiling point of water according to the Kelvin scale? How many divisions are there in the Kelvin scale? In this scale, 273.15 Kelvin is taken as a freezing point of water and 373.15 Kelvin is taken as a boiling point of water. There are 100 divisions in the Kelvin scales. Number 18. What is the SI unit of temperature? The SI unit for measurement of temperature is Kelvin. Number 19. What is a clinical thermometer? The thermometer used to measure the human body temperature is known as a clinical thermometer. Number 20. Describe the construction of the clinical thermometer. It consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube that has a bulb at one end. This bulb is filled with mercury. This thermometer has a kink just above the bulb. The kink helps to stop the mercury from falling back into the bulb when the thermometer is taken out from the mouth or from the armpit. Number 21. What is the function of the kink in the clinical thermometer? The clinical thermometer has a kink just above the bulb. The kink helps to stop the mercury from falling back into the bulb when the thermometer is taken out from the mouth or from the armpit. Number 22. What are some precautions that need to be taken care of while using a clinical thermometer? Number 1. Wash the thermometer properly with some antiseptic solution and clean it with the help of a clean cotton. Number 2. Check the level of mercury in the thermometer and give it a jog if it is above 35 degrees Celsius. Number 3. Hold it carefully to prevent any breakage. Number 4. Do not hold the thermometer with its bulb. It may affect the temperature reading. 23. How can we use a clinical thermometer? Number 1. Place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongue for about 2 minutes. Number 2. Take it out from the mouth or armpit after 2 minutes and check the level of mercury. Number 3. The point where the mercury reaches last tells you the temperature of your body. Number 4. Read the temperature carefully by holding it parallel to your eyes. Number 24. At what temperature does our body experience heat stroke? Our body experiences heat stroke at a temperature of at least 104 degrees Fahrenheit, that means 40 degrees Celsius. At this stage, our body loses the ability to regulate the temperature on its own. 25. What is the use of a laboratory thermometer? Laboratory thermometers are generally used to perform experiments and activities involving high temperature range. 26. Describe the structure of a laboratory thermometer. It consists of a long and thin capillary tube covered with a thick uniform glass tube called the stem of the thermometer. It has a bulb at one end filled with some liquid. This liquid can either be mercury or alcohol. 27. What is the temperature range of a laboratory thermometer? The temperature range of this thermometer is usually between minus 10 degrees Celsius and 110 degrees Celsius. 28. Why is there no link in a laboratory thermometer? There is no link in these thermometers which allows the liquid inside it to fall rapidly. 29. Why can't we use a laboratory thermometer to measure body temperature? A laboratory thermometer is not used to measure the human body temperature because it has large range of temperature due to which the number of divisions on the scale are less. Thus, it does not give the precise value of human body temperature. Next, the liquid inside the tube falls rapidly when the source body is not in contact with the thermometer. Thus, this characteristic makes it difficult to read the temperature of human body. Number 30. Differentiate between clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Number 1. It is used to measure the body temperature. There, number 1, it is used to measure the temperature in the laboratory. Number 2, it is graduated from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. There, number 2, it is graduated from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Number 3, jugs are given to lower the mercury level. Number 3, there, mercury level falls automatically. No jugs are needed. Number 4, temperature can be read after removing it from the source. Number 4, temperature is read while being in contact with the source. Number 5, here it has a kink near the bulb. Number 5, there no bulb is represent. Number 31, what are some advantages in a digital thermometer? Number 1, it does not contain the harmful substance mercury inside it. Number 2, it is light in weight. Number 3, it is more durable. Number 4, it provides reading in digital form to reduce the chances of errors in reading the thermometer. Number 32, what is used in a digital thermometer to measure temperature? In digital thermometer, thermistor is used as temperature sensor to measure the temperature. 33, what is a thermistor? Thermistor is a temperature sensitive device that is made up of semiconductors or metal oxides. Number 34, what is the direction of flow of heat? Heat gets transferred from a body at high temperature to a body at lower temperature till both the bodies attain a common temperature. 35. What are the various modes of heat transfer? The transfer of heat takes place through the three modes: conduction, convection, radiation. Okay, this one is part 1 from this chapter, exercise number 4. I will give you the rest of the question answers in part 2. Okay, so that's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.